If you've gotta use the potty, clap your hands.
Your hands.
If you've gotta use the potty, clap your hands.
Your hands.
Go and sit, don't be shy. Wipe and flush and wave bye-bye. If you've gotta use the potty, clap your hands. If you did it on the potty, shout hooray! If you did it on the potty, shout hooray! You're a big kid now, it's true. Mom and Dad are proud of you. If you did it on the potty, shout hooray!
If you're wearing big kid pants, do a dance. A dance. If you're wearing big kid pants, do a dance. A dance.
Twirl around, don't be late. Potty time is really great. If you're wearing big kid pants, do a dance. If you feel it coming soon, run, run, run.
Hey, run.
If you feel it coming soon, run, run, run.
Hey, run.
To the potty, don't delay. You'll be proud you went today. If you feel it coming soon, run, run, run.